This is our smoke alarm. Open the back shell to replace or uninstall the battery. After installing the battery, long press the test button within 20 seconds to enter the pairing mode, and the LED light will keep flashing. After the detector is connected to the mobile phone, it can not only receive alarm information, but also view the records.